everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the closed packed structure. You know that the crystals are very closely packed with minimum vacant space. There will be vacant space, but it is very minimum. But the crystals are almost closely packed, they are very compact, they are perfectly packed structure. So now let us study regarding the closely packed structure and how can we create this closed packed structure. So this closed packed structure we can create in three ways. The first one is closed packed structure in one dimension. Second one is closed packed structure in two dimensions. And in these two dimensions, we have two types. One is square planar, square closed packed structure, and the second one is hexagonal closed packed structure. Okay, and the third type is closed packed structure in three dimensions. In this also we have two types, that is square closed packed and hexagonal closed packed. So from now on we will consider the constant particles as identical hard spheres. Clear? So from now on what we call as spheres is those are the constant particles. They may be atoms, ions or molecules. Clear? By using those identical hard spheres we will create the closed packed structure in one dimensions, two dimensions and three dimensions. So now let us focus on the first closed packed structure in one dimension. So in this case, we are arranging the spheres in the form of a row. Clear? So these are the hard identical spheres, that is the constituent atoms. These are close enough. We are taking in only one dimension, either horizontally or vertically. And here we introduce a new term called coordination number. Coordination number. It means that coordination number is the number of neighboring atoms and the number of neighboring spheres that a particular constant particle or that a particular hard sphere is in contact with. Clear? For example, if you focus on this particular sphere is in contact with the two other spheres. So in case of closed packed structure in one dimension, the coordination number is 2. Clear? So this is not the end. It means that this is not the end. This is a continuous structure. This is a continuous structure. For studies, we have taken only this much. Clear? So coordination number means this particular sphere is in contact with two other spheres. So the coordination number of this particular sphere is 2. Clear? So now let us focus on the second one. Closed packed structure in two dimensions. Closed packed structure in two dimensions. And in this case, we have two types. One is square closed packed and one more is hexagonal closed packed. Let's focus on the first one. Square closed packed. So in this concept, what we will do is we will build the crystal, we will build the structure horizontally and also vertically. Clear? So in one dimension we have taken only one type, either horizontal or vertical. But in case of two dimensions, we need to show in horizontal also and we need to show even in the vertical cases also. Now let us focus on this one. See, this is the first arrangement. See, these crystals are closely packed. This is one dimension. And we need to fill them here. This is the complete square closed packed structure. In this case, in order to find out the coordination number, so I have clearly said you that all these, they are not the ends. Clear? So that will be continuing, but we have taken only this part, the smallest portion. Clear? So if we focus on area of the sphere, so in this case, in order to calculate the coordination number, this sphere is in contact with the foremost spheres, right? It is very clear from the diagram. So this particular sphere is in contact with the foremost sphere. So the coordination number in square closed packed structure in 2 dimensions is 4. Clear? So why we have got this name square closed packed means if you just join the centers of the neighboring sphere, you will get a square shape. Clear? So we have got this name square closed packed with the coordination number is 4. And if you look at the arrangement of this is the first row. This is the first row, and this is the second row, and this is the third row. And all these arrangements are identical. That means all these arrangements are very fine and very same. They do not have any differences. So if we call this as the arrangement A, and this is also the same repeating unit. So this is also A, and this is also A, and this is also A. So these type of arrangements we call it as AA arrangements. Clear? It's because the first, second, third, and fourth, how many number of rows you take, all the rows are similar. They are exactly one as the another. So in this case, the coordination number is 4. Now let us look at the second type in 2 dimensions. That is hexagonal closed packed. Hexagonal closed packed. In this case, there is a little difference. That means, let us look at the first arrangement. Okay, this is the first arrangement. But in case of square closed packed, we were keeping the same row, second one. But in this case, we are adding the circles in the depression of the first row. You can find that there are some spaces left here. These we call it as depressions. Clear? So in this hexagonal closed packed structure, we are adding the circles in the depressions of the first row. Clear? So the first one is different from the second one. This is not same. This is not same. The first one is different from the second one. The same thing will continue. So we will keep on filling in only the depressions of the particular things. So this is the arrangement of hexagonal closed packed structure. So if this second row is different from the first row, we call it as the arrangement B, and this is similar to the first row, so it is A, and this is C. So this type of arrangement we call it as AB type of arrangement. Clear? So coming to the coordination number part. If you consider this, if you take this sphere for consideration, it is in contact with the 6 more spheres. Clear? So the coordination number is 6. So the number of neighboring particles for that particular sphere is 6. So the coordination number is 6. And why we have got this name hexagon means when you join the centers of these 6 spheres, you will get the shape of a hexagon. Clear? So this is the reason why you got the name called hexagon closed packed structure, and the arrangement is AB type. That means the first row is different from the second row, and the coordination number is 6. So this is regarding the closed packed structures in 2 dimensions. Yes, this is the second one. And okay, students, let's end up here and and we will talk about the closed path structure in 3 dimensions in the upcoming video. Thank you.